Hi, it's me, Lena. So today we'll be looking into using printf in C++. If you like our video, please do like us and subscribe us. Printf is used in C as well as C++. However, it is also very obvious that cout is normally used in C++ to indicate printing of a certain string or value. So if we look into printf syntax for C++, it is printf string and format specifier with the variable name. So what does this syntax actually mean? We will look into a very simple program. If you look into this C++ program, it's a very simple one with the main having declared of its variable with the data type integer num equals 30. So when we use cout, the value of number, and we are basically calling num, which is here declared here, and then we have printf, the value of num. And when you use printf, if you look into this, it says string and format specifier. So this is what we are actually talking about. If it is a string instance, if it's a string, then we will normally use s. Okay, and in this case it is int num, and then we are basically declaring this into this. So if you look at the output, the value of num is 30, a result out of this cout, and then the second answer is the value of num is 30, where the results come from the printf syntax. So that's all for now. So have a good day, and do look out for our coming videos, and do not forget to subscribe us and press the bell to get more of our updated latest videos. Bye.